Hi guys, today's video is how to install Nginx on your Raspberry Pi. You can do it in AWS as well. So we'll go to command line first. My Raspberry Pi is like sitting in my network, so you can check it out. Before that we need to do certain things, like to find my Raspberry Pi address. Because of the new security steps, we need to do log into my Raspberry Pi with an IPv6 address. Usually I'll hide this address, but the server is not running locally, and then for testing purpose only. But if you are doing this, please hide your IPv6 address. So I'll check this. This is my IPv6 address. I'll just take a copy of this, and then we'll do pi SSH pi, the default Raspberry Pi address, and this is the IP address. Yes, I want to add this fingerprint. Okay, the password of default Pi will be Raspberry. So we'll just type this Raspberry here, and then we can enter. So we entered. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to reset your password, because it becomes a risk if you keep the default Raspberry password with your Pi. To set this password, we need to do sudo switch user. Will become as a root. And then to use this password, as you can see, it can say the PI has not been changed, the security is PI user type password. So we need to add this password. So how to add this? We can do raspberry config to change the password, as well as we can do it with sudo also. So I have to write sudo pawswd password of which Pi. New password we need to type. Again we need to type the same password, and then password has been updated successfully. Now sudo switch user to Pi. Done. So we have successfully installed a new password. Now we have to install Nginx. So before installing Nginx, we need to get all the repos updated, as some of the repos might be outdated. So update. So this takes a while, so I'll pause the screen for that time. Now as our update is done, we have to do upgrade, but as of time constraints, I'll not do this upgrade, so I'll just install Nginx. Sudo apt install Nginx. Yes, I do want to install Nginx. So I'll pause the video again, but I think so it should be over really soon. I'll get back to you when it is installed. It should be installed, but before that, as I don't have a domain right now, I won't be able to show you how to set up the domains with this, but I'll be able to show you where to change it, and then to target a file, or if you're running something like Node.js, you can obviously do it with port forwarding configurations, which will be in the later part of the video. or I'll make another trace. If you need help, you can comment it out. As you can see, we have successfully installed Nginx. So if we see in where is it? In Nginx, what we do. Yeah, so it is actively running. So now if I open a browser, we will go to I think our name service is attached, or we can check the IPv4 version also if config. Check, and then this is our IP address currently on the local network. I can go here and also the Nginx page. We can do it separately also. res verify, we need to do res verify dot cal. If we do this, no, it's not taking the URL. Okay, res verify, and then instead of doing in Google search, I want to do http Raspberry Pi. Okay, it's not loading. Now what we need to do here is start local, I guess. This should work, hopefully. Yep, okay. It's not running, but yep, we can see our IP address, and then this Raspberry Pi is running. So where this file is coming from? So we need to, I can do sudo switch user, which is not a ideal state, but we can do sudo nano /etc Nginx sites available. So it's available, and then we can check here. Oh shit, sorry for that. Sites available, and then default there will be the default config, where you can see the server is listening to 80 as a default server. You can copy that same stuff here, and then this is the folder location where the file is. So what files it is reading? It is reading index first, index.html, index.html, index.nginx debian, and the server name. Here you can put your server name, whatever the domain is. The location, also if you try to suppose I try another URL /something, it also 404. This is coming from this 404. You can define your custom 404 pages also over here, and then if there is PHP script, fcm scripts, you can enable all these fcm scripts, and the virtual host. So in this only we used to configure for Node.js also for port forwarding and all those stuffs. But right now let's just change the custom place. So as we know, cd it's on var www.html, and there HTML, and then there will be a file name index.debian.html. So if we remove that file, next.html, and want to make sudo nano, it should be sudo nano index.html, and then we remove the file, and then we did it. Now we need to type an HTML code, but I'm very lazy guys, so I'll do this just h1 and then backslash h1. You can use vi or any other stuff. People will be saying like you are a noob using nano, but yeah, thing is that I like vi, but I like nano too. This is my first page. Next time I'll be in the next tutorial, I'll be showing how to install PHP and then all this stuff. So right now we need to restart the Nginx, so we'll do sudo system control restart Nginx. Now if we go here, this is my first page. So this page is reading from here. and you can set up your local servers. I'll show you next time also how to enable this Raspberry Pi.local, and so that you will be able to, you know, do all these things. So right now this is a short video, and then this is what it is for the time being. Please like and share my video if you liked it, and if you want to have any other stuffs you want to share or you want to know about Nginx, I'll be happy to help you if I know, and then we can ask to the community if I don't know about it. Thank you.